In this video, I'm about to show you how to contact Megapari customer care. This is very easy. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want you to create a professional Megapari account. To do that, click on register, fill in your details from choosing your country to your email address, repeat your password, and in the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LeoTV. If you use the promo code LeoTV, you're going to receive a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you might receive $300. Once that is done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now let's continue. So if you're looking to contact the Megapari customer care, here's exactly the procedure to follow. The first is to come over to menu here, and once you're in menu, you're going to see an option that says order. So click on the order options and you come out to the last option that says info. You click on it, and as you can see, there is a contact care button. So you are going to see two options. There is messengers and there is email address. So you can choose to contact them through messenger or through email address, anyone that you're comfortable with.